Hello friends, today we are going to do two topics. One is the circle of fifth and second would be arpeggios. So in circle of fifth, if you want to really learn the whole circle of fifth, so you can go to my specific video which I have made on circle of fifth. In grade 1, circle of fifth, they just say that you have to move 5 steps ahead to get your sharp majors and 5 steps back down to get your flat major scales. So if they want to say that if you move from C, if you move if you move ahead, you get your next sharp major scale, and if you move backward, you get your flat major scale. This is sharp major scale and that is flat major scale. So this is what they want to show in the circle of fifth. But if you want to learn this in details, you go to my video and check it out. You can get in my playlist. Okay. I'm straight away going to the arpeggios. So arpeggios is nothing but breaking up of your chord. Okay, like you're playing them in a tune. In a chord you play more than one note together, and in tune you play every note single way. So you can see here they have given an example of F major scale where they start from the tonic F, then they move to next, and they move to next, and then they finish with an octave higher and they come down. So this is called the arpeggios in F major scale. So they have showed the example in your treble clef and your bass clef. Okay, so we'll straight away go to the questions. So using semi-breve, write the following tonic triads and one octave arpeggios going up then down using the correct key signature each time. Okay, so we have to use a key signature, then write the tonic triad, and then write the arpeggios going up and then down. So let's start from this. So first one we have to do is F major. So F major, this is treble clef, and we go B flat here. We start from F, A, and C. Now let's go up. Let's make this. So we start from F, A, C, finish on F, going back down, and here we finish. Okay, next we do tonic triad in the key of C major. So for C we don't need to put any sharp and flat. We start from C. This is a bass clef, so this is C, E, and G. So let's make it. Start from C going up first, okay. Let's do next is tonic triad in the key of G major. So G major, treble clef, so F sharp, and we start from G here. Let's do the arpeggio. Start from G, B, D, then we do G here. Okay, one thing I think we have forgot to put the key signature over here. Okay, same thing for this F also. Yep, for C major we don't need anything. Okay, let's move to the next one. Using semi-breve, write the following tonic triads, one octave arpeggios going down and then up. So in this one we have to reverse it. We have to go downwards and then up. So let's start straight away. So tonic triad in F major. Let's again make it F major bass clef, so B flat, and we have to go down first. So let's start. Okay, let's make the tonic triad first. So make it F, A, and C. Let's make the clef first, and then we start from top F. So we start from F, then we make it C here, A, F, then we go back upwards, make it here. Okay, let's move next one. This is tonic triad in the key of C major. C major tonic triad. So we start from C. Let's take middle C, and let's make, we have to go down first then up. So let's start from up. We take the C, then we go G, E, C. Okay, let's do next. G major key, bass clef. So let's do it. And we make from G here. So this is F sharp. Start from G here. Then we go here. G. Okay, let's do next. So put a bracket up and down to show any complete 1-octave arpeggio hidden in the music. Then name the arpeggio. Okay, so you can see they have done this and they've given the name. So we have to find out same way. So let's see, let's write down the note names first. So this is bass clef. So this is C, C, then we go to E, then we go to G. This is C. So we can see from this C to this C is an arpeggio going upwards. So let's make a bracket here. So we have to make a bracket here. Okay. And this will be your C major scale. So C major scale arpeggio going up, okay, because there was no key signature here, that is why it was a C. Okay, next one we come. Next one is B flat, that means this is F major. So let's see, we start from this one. So this is F note, this is C, this is A, and this is F again, and this is C, and this is G. So we need the notes we need in this one is F, A, and C. So we can see this is, so this we can see is here. So this is F major arpeggio going down. Okay, next one is 1 sharp, that is F sharp. So this is G major, and we start from the note. So this is G note, this is F, this is G, this is B, and this is D, and this is G. So here we can see this one. Okay, so this is G major, going up. Okay, so I hope you understood the arpeggios, and if you have any doubts still, you can let me know in the comment section. I will surely get back to you with that. Okay, so I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.